What are you doing if you're not creating a YouTube channel in 2024? Doing your 9-to-5 job and trying to save money each month while living an unsatisfied life? Have you seen the news all over the internet that YouTubers actually earn over millions of dollars by making faceless YouTube videos? Anyway, today I will guide you to start a YouTube faceless channel as a total beginner. I mean, total newbie. Not the one without a YouTube channel or know nothing about internet. We start with signing up an YouTube account. Step 1. Go to YouTube. Sign up a Google account, go to sign in and create an account. Then type in all the basic information needed. Here's quite self-explanatory, so just watch me put in and go through this. So now we'll have an account on YouTube, but you have to create a YouTube channel to start posting video. So click on the icon and create a channel. So now you can click on the channel and go to the setting. Go to channel and choose your country. Then write down all the keywords that related to your channel. And here you can put in all the keywords for your channel, upload default, which means the description box will contain the same keyword every time you upload a new video. Tab in the features eligibility, and you will need to verify your phone number to upload video more than 15 minutes and have custom thumbnail. Password. I will teach you Barrage. Step 2. YouTube profile and banner. For YouTube profile and banner, simply use some AI tools to generate images. I will suggest using Leonardo.ai, Scalebot.ai to do so. Simply click the link in my description box to get it. These two are really good AI text-to-image tools on the market. Now, YouTube profile size is 800 by 800 pixel square size, so any images that square will do well as a profile image. Let me show you how. So go to Leonardo AI and type in your prompt. In this case, will be a pretty smart lady that take a bunch of money in hand. You can choose the style, color, size in your liking. Click create and wait for a few seconds. Now you can choose the best image and download it. Now upload to your YouTube channel profile. For YouTube, banner will be slightly tricky as you need to have a one-size-fits-all banner that look good on desktop, phone, and television. YouTube banner size is 2560 by 1440 pixels and 16:9 aspect ratio. For this, I will do it as simple as possible. You want the word to be at the center and readable when it comes to mobile phone. So open your Photoshop and start editing your image. I will use Leonardo AI to generate a make money related background. Then I add a white background on top of that and lower opacity of the white background. Now I will add a text that related to my channel the most. For example, my channel is using the quote, "Quit your 9-to-5 job," because I genuinely think that you can make money from there to left your boring job. For your channel, think of the quote that fit you the most. Or maybe just use your channel name and put in the center. Obviously, there are a lot of design when it comes to banner. Just look into your competitors that are grinding in the field and refer to their banner. Step 3. Finding your niche. I can't stop talking about this because I saw so many beginners actually posting different niche of video in one channel. You need to find only one topic to talk about and stick to that topic throughout your whole channel. Think about the things that you can spend whole day doing without feeling bored. Only choose the niche because you like it and not because of the CPM, which means cost per 1,000 impressions. Different niches have different price for 1,000 impressions. But only choose the one you can consistently make videos about, because posting on YouTube is a long-term game. If you don't really have a hobby, then you can choose evergreen topic, such as health and fitness, wealth, family, and relationship. These are the most common, but everyday topic and probably still exist after 10 years. So you can start from here if you have no idea. Step 4. It's time for your first video to getting upload. Before I talk about this, I want to talk a bit about mindset. There are a lot of beginners only upload one video and starting to ask me why they're not getting result. I mean, seriously? Think about any path in the world. Will you learn about cooking today and think you will be expert tomorrow? Imagine YouTube videos as lottery tickets. The more tickets you have, the easier you will hit the jackpot. So getting started is the priority here. No matter how awful your videos look like, no one cares. Trust me, because I have been there too. You think you will get hate comments on your first video or your friends will laugh at you. In fact, no one even knows you have a YouTube channel. YouTube will most likely never show your first video to anyone. There are 3 steps to get a video done. Get topic ideas, edit video, upload video. First, getting topic ideas. There's 2 ways to get your video ideas online. I will not go in depth here since this video is for total beginners. But if you want to know the details on this, just click the video link in my description box to get there. I will highly recommend using Vidic to search up keywords. You can use the free version, and I will have the link in my description too. Use Vidic to find hot and trendy topic based on your niche. Search your keywords on Vidic and copy the title of the first 10 highest overall score, which means it will be less competition, but high searched keywords on the market. So your video will rank on the top 3 when people search the topic on YouTube. Second way will be find your competitor's video online and copy their most viewed video and thumbnails. Go to YouTube search and type in your niche keywords such as health recipe. Then click in the first 3 channels, go to their most viewed tab and copy the first few video ideas. This is proven viral titles, so there's no doubt your video will blow up too. Now you will have your first 20 video topics ready. It's time to write a script. Use a AI writing tool to speed up your writing process. My favorite tool is ChatGPT, and I recently bought the ChatGPT Plus, and it is so useful. You can only access to GPT Store. If you have a chat, there are a lot of cool features in this. It has multiple writing tools. Edit video. You can choose to outsource your videos or edit it yourself. I will recommend you to edit it yourself before outsourcing to other. Understand your business before you let anyone assist you, so you know how to communicate with them if you're not satisfied with their performance. There's a few video editor that I will recommend. Wondershare, CapCut, Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro. The first 2 will be more suitable for Faceless channel because it contains a bunch of no copyrighted stock video to use, while Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro will be more suitable for professional documentary team, which needs more advanced editing skills. So I will highly recommend Wondershare and CapCut for beginners. With using Wondershare and CapCut, you will have no copyrighted content to avoid copyrighted strike by YouTube. Now there are a lot of YouTubers out there trying to teach you how to create YouTube automation fast and bulk. Create 10 long-form videos in a day, but low-quality video won't get you far. We're talking about long-term mindset here. If you're doing Faceless channel, you probably need to voice over your video. You can do it yourself, but if you do not feel like it, simply use TTS Maker to convert the text into voiceover. Like this, quite self-explanatory, right? Level up by using Wondershare to add some subtitle effect to increase your audience attention span. Now, if you want to add music to your video, avoid copyrighted music such as K-pop music or any singer music. You can use YouTube library music like how I show you now. Open YouTube Studio and go to Music Library to choose your desired music. If you're not satisfied with that, you can search no copyrighted music on YouTube and download the one you like. I highly recommend you use the built-in music in CapCut and Wondershare. If you really need to use copyrighted music, simply search online and you can monetize your video, even using copyrighted music, by paying monthly fee. Upload video. Now upload the videos on YouTube. Choose not made for kid in the setting. If your content is made for kid, you will not able to monetize your video. Use Vidic's suggested titles or refer to your competitors' titles to get results on YouTube. But remember, Roman is not built in one day, so you should not expect overnight fame on YouTube. Simply keep consistent, and the universe will help you to achieve your goals. You can choose to not believe, but it's simply the truth. If you feel too overwhelmed after watching this video, comment down below your questions, and I will reply you as soon as possible. This video is for the very beginner on YouTube. So if you want to know how to go viral and start making money on YouTube using AI, simply click the link in the description box. Don't forget to grab your free AI prompts to create the best video on YouTube. Here's a couple videos to catch up and comment down below your favorite AI tool.